here this afternoon. We're going to install a mantle above the fireplace in the 3-plan model. Actually, we're going to do all of them, but not today. We're going to save Williams Homes $10,500 by doing it ourselves. But first step is layout. We want the bottom of the mantle to be 52 above the ground and centered on the fireplace. So that is step 1. Our drilling professional Garen will drill these 3 holes here.
Now you know you've done a really good job when you don't hit any water pipes or
yeah.
wires.
When there's nothing coming out or smoking after you drill the hole.
Yeah, well, and all the outlets still work too. That's kind of a...
That's to be determined. We haven't tested it yet.
So far, we're, you know,
yeah.
we're par for the course, so.
1 for 1. Let's see if we can do 2. Two for 2 of no water coming out of the walls. Look at that. Okay.
Right. There is a bathroom over here, so.
You're not wrong. We'll see how this goes.
We'll see.
Alrighty. Well, there's 3 for 3. Holes in wall.
What's our next step, Max?
Lags.
Lags.
Lagged into the holes in the wall. Look at this manly strength. He's gonna do it all by hand.
Well, when you live in North Idaho, you know, you learn to do these things as a kid.
Because you definitely grew up as a kid in North Idaho.
You know, if we're smart, we'd get a socket that would go on the impacts.
We're not that smart. We're not that technology advanced. This is North Idaho.
I mean, we just got rid of horse and buggies, you know, just not too long ago, so.
Yeah, I can't even say the word technologically. Shows the education system here.
When the sun comes up, we can tell a new lie. Look into my eye, and baby, drive, just drive. When the sun comes up,
Bolt ends cut.
we can tell a new lie.
Ready for mantle layout.
Layout.
Let's do it.
Drive, just drive.
See if she fits. There it goes. Look at that. Check level.
Absolutely beautiful. That's definitely within our tolerance, I think.
Nice.
So, great job.
Clean install.
Clean.
Well done.
Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us here at Williams Home 47 for our mantle install tutorial. We'll see you next week.